Hello friends, how are you? I hope you all doing well. Today I am going to unboxing my new gadget, which is iPhone 12 Pro Max 128 GB Pacific blue color. So let's do it. And one more thing, after a very long time I'm going to speak in any video. Like before I never speak. So if I made any mistake, please forgive me. So let's let's unboxing my new gadget, see what inside the box. Okay, so guys, I'm going to unboxing my new gadget iPhone 12 Pro Max 128 GB. You can see over there, which is color Pacific blue 128 GB. uh, let's wrap out what is inside. This is the best part, very satisfaction when I wrap up this one. Okay, see, this is iPhone, very slim as compared to before. Nothing mentioned over here. Let's see what is inside. I'm going to open this box. Let's open, see what is inside. Wow, this is my one of the best gadget. Wow, you can see the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let's see what is inside. One more thing here you can see over there is also one charger cable, which is type C to lighting cable. This mobile is supported on 20-watt fast charging, but inside there is nothing, no adapter, only cable. And see, there is wow, only one sticker. Before I get two sticker, right now I am getting only one sticker. See, you can see. And documentation, this is no need. And one more thing, SIM tool ejector, yeah, that's great. Let's side out all the things. We are going to find what is inside my phone. Wow, I can't explain how I am happy today. Let's wipe out. Wow, see, guys, let's find out the camera. See, there are three cameras. This is 12 megapixel, this one is 12 megapixel plus 12 megapixel. Three cameras are 12 megapixel. There is also one sensor, you can see. This is LiDAR scanner, yeah. And there is also flash. Here also mic, which is noise cancellation. Here you can see there is lighting cable, you can charge from here. Here also speaker, here also mic also. Let's see left side, there is SIM ejector. I'll see later what is inside. There are two SIM or one SIM, I'll see later. Here also up down buttons, volume up, volume down. And this button, this is the best button I like, which is when you want to put in silent, you can put up up down like this. Okay, you got it. Let's see right side. There is nothing, only one button, which is on off button. And upside, here is nothing, all slim. Finally you can see there is nothing. This is the best in class iPhone. Check the SIM ejector, what is inside. There are two SIM supported or only one SIM. Friends, you can see only one SIM supported, and another SIM is eSIM. You know eSIM? You can activate eSIM also in this phone. There are two SIM supported. The phone is English. Where I am living in Dubai, which is United Arab Emirates. Start up manually. Continue the Wi-Fi network, which is nil. Friends, let me set up my phone. After I'll show you what is the inside in this phone. I'll show you all the things. Okay, I'll see you after a moment. Guys, finally I set up my phone. Let's open. Here you can see very big display. Let's say inside about over here you can see this is 128 GB. Very smooth, very. I really can't explain how much I am happy today. Really, I'm okay guys, I'm sharing some picture which is I took from the iPhone Pro 12 Pro Max. Let's find. Actually, guy, I think you are waiting for the prize, you know. I see. So let's find out. I have to say, I purchased this phone from UAE, which is 4,700. It's the official price. If you are converted to India, around it will come out around 47,000. But if you are looking for iPhone 12 series, whichever it is, like 12 mini, 12, 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, you can get it from UAE. Here is a very cheap compared to India. I get this phone around 4,700, which is official price in UAE from Dubai. it's the official price. Okay, in India it's come out around 1,30,000 maybe. I am not sure. It may be 1,30,000 approx. Now if you are converted in UA price, 47,000 multiply 20, it will come out around 94,000. So you can find more difference between India and UAE. Here 94,000 and in India around 130,000. So difference between two country around 35,000, 35 to 40,000. So if you are looking for iPhone 12 Pro Max, just come to UAE, Dubai on visit visa. Visit visa you will get around 5 to 6,000 for 1 month and ticket up down. So that's great. If you are looking for iPhone 12, just come to Dubai and just get it. Then free of cost you will travel to Dubai in that price, in India price. So guys, keep support and be healthy, and see you soon.